This is a cedar snowman. I believe he's like 19 inches tall. And I made him for Bradley's next weekend. And I believe his nose is probably going to be a piece of antler. So that'll be cool. I love how rustic it is. See, we've got all these natural, those aren't chunks missing. That's like where the bark was. And then here we got some little damage. We call them inclusions. We've got all these beautiful knots all over the place. See, we have like these little imperfections in the wood. But look at all these big, beautiful knots. This thing's ginormous. I want to say it's probably at least 9 inches in diameter. So I hope to see all my friends out at Bradley's next weekend. Y'all have a great Sunday.